Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be unboxing the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So the box is a lot smaller this month, so it's not the normal box, but we still get the same amount of items. And really, if your items are smaller, it does make sense to put them in smaller boxes. But we got this cute little box, and as always, it does look the same. So the theme this month is full bloom, which I'm really happy right now to be getting subscription boxes because I can't go shopping. I can't do anything. I'm on a stay-at-home order like the rest of the country. So I'm really glad to get these finally coming in the mail and a little pick-me-up. So this is... We don't want to look at the stuff. But the box is $25 a month, and you get 5 full-size products. And they do have 3 different ones. They got the regular one, which is 5 deluxe size samples for $12. And then they have the Ipsy Ultimate, 12 products, 8 being full being deluxe size samples, and it is $50 a month. And every one does come with a bag, small, medium, and large, depends on which subscription you get. So normally Ipsy Plus is about my favorite one out of all 3 of them. I don't know what I'm getting this month. I didn't I didn't pick anything. I didn't look at no sneak peeks or anything like that. So our first thing is by Star Skin VIP. It's the Diamond Mask Illuminating Luxury Biocellulose Face Mask. And then we got the Creme de la Creme Instantly Recovering. So we got 2 masks. Okay. Then we got by Bloom Effects Dutch Dirt Mask. This is, you got 60 milliliters, which is 2.0 ounces. And I don't even know what this is. It's the Purify Pores Purging Powerhouse Detox, Purify, and Deeply Exfoliate. Okay. The tube itself does have like a texture feel to it. It's got like little, I don't know. Ooh. I don't know if you're supposed to shake. It's like, normally I'm just making a gum. So I am used to clay mask and stuff like that, but they never run out like that. But here is this one. It's very gritty. It's got a little bit of a smell to it, but nothing like major. You might need to shake this up before you use it to get the liquid back in there. But there it is. It's really good and gritty. I don't know. I need to pick up wipe after that. But I do like, especially like to get my pores and stuff like that and dead skin, I do like something that has a good grit to it. Because it seems like it gets rid of the dead skin and maybe get rid of some blackheads. Okay. Our next thing is by Join the Color Revolution. This is by Dose of Colors. And it is Old Flame. It's a liquid matte lipstick. I don't know if that's the color or not. New Bestie. Which I really like Dose of Colors lipsticks. I've got a few of them and they work really good. So here is the color. It's not technically the same color. And right here it is. I'll put a little bit over this. It is a pretty color, and Dose of Colors does really, really good. I've I think I got like 4 maybe, and I really do love them. So I will probably like that one a lot. Okay, so by Girl Lactic, we got the Jelly Gloss Balm. Now, I'm wearing like Girl Lactic today eyeliner, um, or liquid liner on the top lid. I really do like Girl Lactic. So this is just a Jelly Gloss Balm. It is 3.9 grams, 0.14 ounces. It's made in Thailand. Which right now, I really think my lips need about everything they can get. It is right here. It's just like a clear. It feels really, really good. But I use a lot of like lip mask, lip balms, everything, trying to keep my lips from drying out. Especially like if you go outside right now, that wind will just chap your lips something horrible. And that's one thing I cannot stand is my lips being chapped. And like right now, my elbow is like so raw itself just from the weather. Okay, so it is a really good idea to like lotion up, get them lips hydrated, or really pretty much the whole body. Okay, so our next item is by Tarte. It's the Tarteist Double Take Eyeliner. And it is the doubled one. I do like Tarte. I've got a lot of their makeup. I've really never had no complaints about their makeup. Sometimes they get a little boring because a lot of times you don't get a lot of colors in their palettes. Okay, so one side, this looks like probably the pencil side, the way it's shaped. So, we got that. Now, that's on the gloss. I've had a bunch of their liners. They always worked good. Then here is the liner side, or felt tip. So I know I'm going to like this because I've used their liners, and I'm going to say it's probably no different than the rest of them. So I think this will be good. And we have already opened 5 products. And here is our little bag this month. It's green with, I guess, flowers. The inside is just like a yellowish brown color. As always, it's got the little Ipsy tag. I do love the way the zipper is this month. So cute. So I really do like that. So this box, like I said, it is retailed for $25. And let's talk about the process. So everything in this box is full size. This by Bloom Effects is worth $49. Which, you know, that's already like half the, you know, you've like, if you would have bought this on your own, you know, say $50 or $49, but by the time you pay taxes, you're over $50. So really $25, and you do pay taxes on these boxes depending on your state. So that's like, you know, paying $25 and getting the rest of the stuff for free. Okay, and the eyeliner is $24. The Girl Lactic is $18. The Dose of Colors is $18, and I've already, no, there it is. There's, I already lost it. And the 2 sheet mask that I just dropped one, they're retailed for $30. Now, I don't know it. I'm not paying no $30 for 2 sheet masks. I'm going to be honest with you. That's just something I'm not going to do. And I'd say that it's probably a box. No Time for a Fall Special. MBD, 15 minutes with one of these sheet masks will give your skin the same luminous look. Mask is coated, but I'm going to say, normally, when they give the price, it's normally like a box of 5, 10, or 15 or something like that. I'm not going to say these two are, it could be, I don't know, but I would not pay no $30 for 2 sheet masks. Okay. Now, how I'd rate my box this month is, I need a lot of skincare right now, but I do have it. And I don't know, it just seems like with my subscription boxes lately, I've been getting a lot of skincare. And I did get like probably only like really 2 makeup items. I'm not even going to count this because I don't count these as makeup items. Um, and the rest of the box being 3 skincare products. This box to me is like, I'll give it a 3 out of 5 because this stuff is really good stuff. I do like these really, really good. But the rest of it is, I've got so much masks, so much sheet mask, these kind of masks. I've just got so much of it. And I have been getting a new lip treatment every month in almost every box I get. So I am like, wait. And last month in Ipsy, I think I got like 2 or 3, because I get all 3 boxes. I got like 2 or 3, and really, like, I got this one, then I got a Tarte one. I got one of my Lord Beauty box. I don't know. I've just got a lot of lip stuff lately. And before I was getting these little things, I was getting the tap stick. And so I've got, like, Ipsy's, like, for the last 4 months, I think it's been sending lip stuff like this. I'm tired. I'm done. I'm over it. I don't need no more lip care. I have enough to last me for a very long time. And same thing with skincare. I've got enough. Normally with Ipsy Plus, we do get more makeup items, and that's why I like it better, because I really just have way too much skincare. I have too much makeup, but I don't know. To me, I never have too much makeup. Skincare, on the other hand, it does go bad faster. So I really just don't need no more. Okay. But, you know, I can have a spa day tomorrow and feel just fine. And that's right now, we all probably need to do a little self-care, self-love, take care of yourself. One day we'll get to go back out in the world and get to go shopping and do everything we used to do. Get to visit family and friends. It's really not getting to me. I can be honest about that. Being home with my family does not bother me. It's this time of the year. It's like spring. Is my favorite time of the year anyway. It's not time to put everything out in your gardens, but I got to plant my potatoes already. I got my onions out. I've got a bunch of, like, I got peppers and tomatoes and cauliflower and broccoli and cabbage and everything already growing here. That's inside. And I'm loving that. And I've got a bunch of flowers that getting ready to go out soon as the frost advisory's out. So I've been keeping myself like really, really busy. I got some chickens. I got some little baby chicks. They are just the cutest. And really, I've just been keeping myself busy and I guess trying to farm. But it's really just whatever you like to do. I like makeup. And I like to play in makeup a lot, and it really de-stresses me. But I do like to go outside, and I like to garden and stuff. And really, if I got my makeup and I can garden, in between the two, I never get bored. So I'm alright to stay at home and be just with my family. But I hope everybody is staying safe and keeping their mind sane. But I hope you guys did like this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.